Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Buick Enclave headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight bulb for your specific Buick Enclave model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin any work for safety. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. Begin by carefully removing the fasteners that secure the front bumper cover. Then, detach the clips holding the wheel well liner in place, especially those closest to the headlight. With these removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle to reveal the headlight's mounting bolts. Now it's time to remove the old bulb and install the new one. Unscrew the headlight assembly mounting bolts. There are typically 3 or 4 of them. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old headlight bulb. Then, install your new headlight bulb, making sure it is seated correctly and securely within the housing before proceeding. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight assembly. Securely fasten all the headlight mounting bolts and reattach the bumper cover clips and fasteners. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is functioning properly and illuminating the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.